How's everyone doing? This is a guitar tutorial for the new song Better to Lie by Blanco, Swae and Jess. Hopefully I said those right. I spend more time like figuring out the songs than I'll sometimes look at the names and get them mixed up. So this is a cool one for power chords as you've seen, but also doing it with open chords is doable too. My name's Dave Donoghue, the guitar coach, and I put up loads of guitar tutorials. I'm planning on putting up a few hundred in the next few months. So if you want to keep posted for modern songs that will be going up on Fridays and Saturdays, and some old classics as well, just hit subscribe below and you'll be kept up to date with everything. All right, let's get into it. Dare I jinx us, but I don't think this will take too long. We have our power chord shape on the 6th fret of A. Could be here 8 hours later. And then 8th fret on D. Now, after that, I'm going from the 6th fret, and by the way, that 8 hours later was about me teaching it. It isn't about anybody getting it. This is all me. So we have the 6th fret on A, and then I'm palm muting at the side here with my picking hand. So if you look over here, you'll see that I have my palm at the side, and I get that tone. It's that punchy tone. If I'm here, nothing will happen. There we go. So I'm going, then down to the 2nd fret on A. And just like the way a capo, you need to release the pressure to slide it down. A thing that can happen power chords a lot for players, I'd see in my own experience, is that they hold on to the power chord tightly, and slide down. And it can cause friction. So just release. But definitely keep the motion going. Then move all that up a string and make sure you move your picking hand as well. E and A. Hit that. And then finally 1st fret on the A string again. Back down with this hand, of course. That's my watch this hand international symbol. Okay, so we 6 on A, 2nd on A, 2nd on E, 1st on A. Okay, I am going to grab a capo. I have one here. Now, ideas for chords you could use. You could go capo on the 4th fret. Sometimes it's better to lie. Dun, 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 dun. You could do an A there. So you could go B minor 7 or B minor, whichever one you wish. Sometimes it's better to lie than D. Dun, 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 dun. Now there's a bit of a con to this, really, because it does sound a bit ukulele-ish. It loses its dark edge. Sometimes it's better to lie. Now, if that's the effect you're going for, excellent. I hope this helps. But it's good to have options anyways. Just, you know, I used to find years ago doing this stuff, for sing-alongs, doing this, these chords can really disappear. But lashing out multiple strings at once for sing-alongs, and that's when I could lean towards open chords. And those are the chords for the whole song. Alright, if anybody's any questions, post a comment below. I'll be happy to chat. I'd love to hear how you get on with this. If you have any other favourite songs for any of those artists, just post below as well. I do lesson requests every week. I put up a poll in the community tab on my Facebook channel, and I pick the top one voted out of each 5. So I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon.